Whether hot climate or cold climate, the Alpha85S from HULKMAN is a jump starter that's awesome. So it has a built-in light. This is level 1 right here. This is level 2. It also has fast flashing. It also has slow flashing. And it also has red flashing. I love this light because I can work on a car like at night like this and not have to worry about having any additional lighting sources. So this is our jump starter, and let's see if we need it today because our car has been sitting for a while. Our car is having a hard time starting. This one will be able to jump start our car in no time. Very easy. I'm just gonna go ahead and turn off the car right now, and I'll show you how to connect this to the battery. This is a light, so you can see around the car, in the engine bay at night, and you can see where the battery terminals are. Oh wow, see the lights is right here, so I can see the battery terminal. These lights are amazing because they point exactly where I want it to, right? So I can leave this here, and what I do is I'm gonna get black to black. So this is the black one over here. So match the black one here, and then the red one over to here. And you see when I connect these two, it will show ready on this, and that's it. That's all I need to do to start the car. So now I can go in and start the car. So now we're back in the car. All we gotta do is start the car like we normally do, and voila, the car starts up. So that is the power of the HULKMAN Alpha85S. So let's go ahead and unconnect it because now the car is started. You can leave the car running like that and then go ahead and unconnect the Alpha85S. So here it is. The Alpha85S is at 98% power. It only uses 2% to jumpstart a car, and we still have the bright light on. Perfect. So I can see what I'm doing with the light right here. It makes it very convenient. So I can take off my clamp right there. I can take off this clamp, and I still got the light on, and I can see what's going on in the car, and that's pretty much it. This is the Alpha85 right here. It has successfully jump-started our car. The Alpha85S by HULKMAN, fantastic jump starter. 98% power, only use 2% to jump-start this car. And also over here, you have a USB Type-C as input to charge, but it's also input/output. If you see right there, it's in and out. So you have a USB Type-C output as well as USB-A output here and a DC 12-volt output. So this is a very capable jump starter and a power bank. This thing is awesome. The Alpha HULKMAN 85S is incredible. Solid right here. Oh yeah.